Lexus's stronghold on reliability stems from its meticulous testing and attention to detail, effectively raising the bar in the luxury car segment. This thorough approach fosters enduring customer loyalty. Similarly, Toyota upholds its reputation for reliability by emphasizing simplicity in its engineering. This strategy minimizes maintenance costs and extends vehicle lifespan, appealing to budget-conscious consumers. Meanwhile, Mazda's recent ascent in reliability rankings illustrates its evolution from a budget brand to a formidable competitor. This transformation signifies a shift in consumer perception regarding both quality and performance. Moreover, Mazda's dedication to quality and driving pleasure has cultivated a loyal customer base, reflected in consistently high owner satisfaction ratings. This focus sets Mazda apart in the competitive automotive landscape. The resurgence of Buick demonstrates the potential for American brands to innovate and enhance reliability, appealing to younger consumers with modernized offerings. Buick's strategic rebranding has notably transformed its image. In addition, Mini's surprising success in reliability contests the brand's traditional perception as merely aesthetic. This shift showcases its rigorous engineering approach, emphasizing the importance of durability and performance. This newfound reliability for Mini signifies that niche brands can thrive by prioritizing quality and nurturing a dedicated following, despite past concerns about reliability. This trend holds significant implications for the automotive sector. Conversely, Chrysler and Dodge have experienced declining reliability rankings, raising concerns over a potential focus on visuals rather than durability. This misalignment has ultimately led to customer dissatisfaction. On a different note, Tesla's forward-thinking approach has resulted in notable software-related reliability challenges. Many customers express frustration, feeling their expensive vehicles suffer from persistent mechanical issues. Widespread recalls affecting millions due to engine failures and fire hazards have left owners anxious about their vehicle's safety. This predicament underscores the grave consequences for brand reputation. As a result, resale values are increasingly tied to the reliability of vehicles, with brands like Toyota and Lexus reaping the rewards of their dependability. In contrast, brands such as Chrysler and Dodge face declining resale values due to reliability issues. Consumer trust and brand loyalty are essential in today's market landscape, directly influencing a company's future. Brands that consistently produce reliable vehicles cultivate devoted customer bases that promote them. Notably, Toyota's strong brand loyalty often passes through generations, highlighting the crucial role of familial trust concerning vehicle safety and reliability. Mazda's ascent in reliability standings has led to heightened customer satisfaction, illustrating how positive online experiences can bolster brand reputation and attract new drivers. Additionally, social media has transformed how consumers engage with brands, allowing negative experiences to spread rapidly, thus impacting companies like Tesla and Chrysler significantly. Consequently, Tesla must address its reliability challenges to sustain its reputation, as its innovative features are increasingly overshadowed by ongoing quality concerns and consumer expectations. Immediate enhancements are critical for Tesla's market standing. The automotive industry is currently witnessing a trend toward long-term vehicle ownership, prompting brands like Toyota and Lexus to prioritize durability and reliability in response to consumer demands. This shift is considerably reshaping buying preferences. Furthermore, electric vehicles introduce new reliability hurdles, especially for brands like Tesla, which must balance innovation with dependability as they scale production and broaden their market reach. Traditional automakers are entering the EV domain with a focus on reliability. Similarly, Hyundai and Kia face challenges in the EV sector due to concerns over reliability. Addressing these quality control issues could substantially influence their success and consumer trust. Moreover, Consumer Reports rankings play a pivotal role in shaping brand reputations. High reliability scores can significantly enhance a brand's image, as demonstrated by Toyota and Mazda. Overall, the automotive landscape is evolving, with a strong emphasis on reliability and consumer trust. Brands that adapt to these shifting demands are poised to succeed, while those that neglect quality may risk falling behind.